Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper. I've had requests for computer scrap out videos, so I thought I would begin doing a hump day computer scrap. Let me know what y'all think and if you want me to keep doing this. Let's see what we get out of this. And we got Torx. Of course I would grab a Torx to break down. Oh well. It's got to get done one way or another, right? I don't know if you need to come off or not. Probably not, but that's okay. I'm gonna hang on to you guys just in case. Sometimes I like to put them back together, sometimes I don't worry about it. Oh, we got a Pentium. PCI cards. Now my local yard is trying real hard to compete with Board Sort for some of my cards. Those of you that like Board Sort and like Chris, please understand, Chris and I have had this conversation. He knows, I mean, he's a business guy like me, right? And got to do what makes the most business sense. There are some things that my local yard is just not going to be able to compete with Chris on at all. So Chris isn't worried about, you know, that stuff. So in the meantime, if my local yard can give me better money than Chris and I don't have to ship stuff, then that's what I have to do. Okay, what are you guys? I'm guessing 512. Yeah. You're not anything that I need to keep. Let's put it that way. The PCI cards, the reason I brought that up was because with the PCI cards, my local yard is paying me really well for them, and I don't have to take off anything but the aluminum heat sinks. So I don't know why, but hey, I'm not going to argue. That's the way the guy wants it done. That's the way he's going to get it done. All right. Now we've got a screw in there, which is a weird place to put a screw. Let's see if we can reach it. With a little extension magic. There we go. Oops. Put down the wrong one. You know, I like this new workbench is nice and big. When I'm working on a computer, I can put all of the components of that computer on the table at the same time. Gives me a much better idea of what I'm dealing with. And I know you guys, that's how you guys work. So Pentium II. I don't know, is there any potential resale value in an old Pentium board? You know, as a keepsake kind of thing. Well, let's take it out and set it aside for the time being. So let's get the battery off of there. Okay, you look to be in pretty good shape, just a little bit dusty. So, we're going to put you over with the area of possible sales. I got a lot of work to do on that part of the business. A lot of work on the website needs to get done. And so we'll get there. We'll get there. All right, now then, what do you say? You say press down and then do that. No, that's not right. Then we do that. Then we do that. Okay. Then we do that. Okay. We do that. Okay. And what about that hard drive? Which way does the hard drive want to go? Yeah, let's get the screw out. Maybe that's holding it up. I don't know if it is or not, but there we go. There we go. We didn't have to take that screw out. And we just get the rest of them out. Look at that old guy or gal. I don't know, let's see. Is this the right size for that to come off? No. There's the board. All right, so hard drive board, hard drive minus its board. Trash. I'm guessing you're tin. Yeah. Wire. Yeah. Old floppy, you're in really bad shape, so you're just going to go right in. Right back in. Zip drive. I've got some zips that are in much better condition, so you're going in there. Rats. And you're in here. You know, I just sold off a box of CD boards and I've already got a bin ready to go again. I think those accumulate fast. Yeah, just throw one of those back on there. Help keep that together. And you're going in the outbound pile. And one of my viewers had a good recommendation for that bottom bin. They said put the batteries in there. So there we go. There's the batteries. All right, we got another white one here. So let's go ahead and see what's inside you. But that one's going to wait till Wednesday. Now there's a link that's going to pop up to take you to more of my e-waste videos so you can get caught up and see what I do have already done for you. In the meantime, let me know if you like these Hump Day or Wednesday computer scrap outs. Can't really call them shark bites because they're a little bit long for that. If you like it, I'll keep at it. And you can show me that by giving me a thumbs up, dropping a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. That's the little red button in the lower right-hand corner. All right, everybody. We'll see you next week.